Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. For today's tutorial, I wanted to show you how to get this look right here, inspired by Kylie Jenner. This is the look that she posted a few weeks ago, and I was super inspired to create something just like this. I saw that it was so creative. It was just so amazing. When I saw it, I was just like, wow, I really have to create that all over again because I loved it. I loved the vision. I loved how it just popped on her eyes, so I really wanted to do it myself as well. So I'll be doing that today, as well as announcing my holiday giveaway. I'm super excited about that. So if you'd like to see how to get this look and what I'm announcing for my giveaway, don't forget to stay tuned to the end. Without further ado, let's get into the tutorial. Hey everyone, thanks so much again for watching. So to get started, I've just done my brows, so I'm gonna actually now start to primer my face. And I'm gonna use the Pro Filter Instant Retouch. This is by Fenty Beauty. Please excuse my nails, I'm getting them soon. Just haven't gotten around to that. I've been editing. So I'm just taking just a bit of the Pro Filter, just like the tiniest bit, just like that. And I'm gonna just apply it on my fingertips and then all around my face. This primer actually smells really good. So for foundation, I'm gonna use one of my favorites lately. This is the Revlon Color Stay. This is the Full Cover in Matte and the color 390. Whatever little bit I have left, I'll just kind of move along my chin and onto my neck as well, where everything can match nicely. Okay, so now that that is done, I'm going to go in with my Laura Mercier translucent powder. I have this little one right here, which is just super cute. Okay, so mainly the areas where I get oily, but again, just kind of overall, just has a nice even base. And then whatever's left, I just want to take it onto my eyelids. That way I can make sure that there are no creases right here. Okay, so now that that's done, we're going to go in with eyeshadow. So for eyeshadow today, I'm going to be using the Tarteist Pro palette. And I'm going to be taking one of the more neutral shades. And I'm going to apply this all over my eyelids. This is just so that you get a nice even base once again. And that you make sure that everything just looks nice and cohesive. Taking that same brush, I'm going to go back into the palette. And I'm going to take the color Indie, which is that color right here. And I did watch the tutorial on Kylie's channel on how she did it, and she just again started out with a really even base and then kind of just went in with a deeper shade onto her crease. So kind of doing the same thing, just applying it in the same manner, but using colors that will go more so for the look that I'm going for today. This is the Huda Beauty Electric Obsessions palette. This red shade right here is the one we're going to be using for today. Super pretty. I love the nice big pop of red color it has. So I'm going to be taking a pencil brush and dipping into that shade, taking off the excess, and then I'm going to go right into my inner tear duct and start right here, and then just bring it down just like that. So I just want to lay the outline onto my eye. So I'm going to take the same color again, so right into my inner tear duct, excuse me, and then, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take the brush that we had just used, and I'm going to just go back and forth right here and kind of just blend that into the crease. Okay, so as you can see, I'd added just a really quick short little wing as well as some eyeliner on there. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to apply some falsies, and I have this cute Ardell 5-pack right here. These are the Demi Wispies, so I'm going to apply some right now and I'll be right back. Okay, so now that my lashes are on, I'm going to just apply a bit of mascara just to keep them nicely together. So I'm going to be taking the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. This is the mini one right here. I'm going to just apply a quick coat onto my lashes, just to bind the two together. Now I'm going to add bronzer as well as highlight. Now I'm going to go in with the Becca Champagne Pop Highlighter. I'm going to add just a little pop right here, right in the center of my inner tear duct. And then on the bridge of my nose as well. And on my cupid bow. Now for lips today, I'm going to be using the Kat Von D lipstick, and this is in the shade Underage Red. This is what the packaging itself looks like. It's super pretty. So I'm actually going to go over it with a matte Ultra HD color by Revlon. This is the color right here, and I think that this will match a bit better, so I'm going to add just a bit of this on top. Okay, so because the color was a bit too strong for me, what I did was I just kind of dabbed some of it off on a napkin, and I actually love how it's looking now. It's just kind of like a tint of the color. It's not like the color altogether like so bright, and I think the shimmer was kind of just throwing me off, so I think that this is a lot better, so I'm happy with it here. Okay, so I'm gonna just add a bit of blush, and this is the Tarte Quirky Blush. Kind of just ties the whole look together. So last but not least today, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking some of this Smashbox Primer Water Spray, and this will make sure it helps set your makeup and keep it there all day long. So just spraying some on. Okay, and this is the final result inspired by Kylie Jenner. And now for the exciting part, I want to announce my holiday giveaway. So for my giveaway, I will be actually giving away a few things. Let's start off with the brushes. I'm going to be giving away these 3 Wet n Wild makeup brushes. These are super cute. You get a large eyeshadow brush, you get a foundation brush, and a flat top brush as well, which you can use to do your foundation and lots of different things. So super excited. This is one part of the giveaway. Then I also am giving away a Wet n Wild highlighter. This is one of my favorite highlighters. This is such a pretty color. This is the color Precious Petals. So that's also included in my giveaway is this Smashbox gift. This is the primer water, the photo finish smooth and blur primer, as well as the primer writer. So all 3 of these are included in the giveaway. As well as last but not least is included this BH Cosmetics really beautiful Glam Reflection Gilded eyeshadow palette. I'm going to show you the eyeshadows right here because they're just so pretty. I saw this and I was like, yeah, this is gorgeous. So it's super pretty. I know that you guys are going to have so much fun creating looks with this palette, and I hope that you all enjoy it so very much. All the information for entering the giveaway will be listed right here on my Instagram page, so don't forget to go follow and read the instructions. That way you can see how you can enter. I wish you all the very best of luck, and I can't wait to see who wins, so good luck to all of you. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, remember to always create a life that you love.